When digging into a situation, perform root cause analysis or problem solving, a tool that's often used is called a cause and effect diagram, sometimes called like a fishbone diagram based on the view that it has, or also known as the Ishikawa diagram, the name of one of the gentlemen credited with creating it. Really what it looks like is just an effect on the one side with branches coming off of it. And those branches, there's 6 branches that I believe are the correct ones to list. You can organize it other ways, but in general sense, 6 M's is one way to categorize those initial core branches. And I like the 6 M's just from a memory point of view. So the M's include machines, methods, measurement, manpower, Mother Nature, and there's one more, materials. So I had machines, methods, measurements, materials, manpower, and Mother Nature as the 6. I say manpower, but then counter that with Mother Nature, so ultimately we end up gender neutral. But it also makes everything an M. But it's a good way, sometimes when we're doing troubleshooting, we focus on just one of the legs, one of those M's, but we don't balance it. So by making a little chart of this, you can see if any of those little branches aren't really being talked about, then you come back and talk to those more, because none of them should be empty with pretty much any project you're working on. They're great because you might uncover a smoking gun. If you haven't solved it already, there's maybe a little bit more thinking, and then as you discuss all those different branches, there may be something that does jump to the surface as, hey, I bet that's the one, let's go fix that quick, and hopefully that makes it. If it truly is a smoking gun and fixes it, great. But if it doesn't, don't just ignore it and cross it off the list, because a lot of times when you've hit the wall on something, the reason you've hit that wall is that there's interactions involved. It's a simultaneous changing of temperature and pressure, and then if you only change one, it doesn't get the same impacts as if you change both together or in some sweet combination. So be careful of eliminating items because the interactions could be what's holding you back. And a lot of times that's what I see. It was truly an interaction, not just an easy smoking gun. If it's a smoking gun, it probably would have been found before this became a committee meeting or elevated to management. So again, the cause and effect diagram, a great tool to get your arms around a problem, to help scope it, identify potential smoking guns, potential interactions, and then you can decide on your strategy to resolve it from there. If you'd like help in creating a strategy, just do your own root cause analysis, fix a situation you have, whether it's a field issue, a recall, production problems. Give us a call here at Prairie Solutions. We'd love to help you out.